Hello sir, number coding po natin. Yes po, hindi ko yung sasakyan mo. Pag-abanti doon ng kote.
Yep. Girl, I know Italia. Amelem. Yung may lilputang garot sa China.
License po natin in ORCR.
Nag-rent lang po kasi kami ng car, sir.
Naku po.
Car lang po to.
You rent the car but it is number coding. It's coded today, Monday. It's ending 2. Wala kaming magagawa, ma'am. Huli namin kayo. Ganun po yun, ma'am. Okay? Dapat pinaalala sa inyo nung may-ari ng sasakyan. So if ever, pa-refund nyo na lang po sa kanila yung violation.
Number coding po yun.
Those license plate ending 1 and 2, they are prohibited to enter coding zone of Baguio. Tagalog.
Ako, Korean.
Okay. Ganito, ending 1 and 2 na sasakyan, hindi pwede pasok dito sa coding zone ng Monday.
Before last October,
Yeah.
one time trip, now two time trip. Before same car rent, problem wala before.
Meron, but
Now
siguro tsamba.
6 months, before 6 months, problem wala. 5 day trip time. Now why?
But same car? No.
Same car.
Monday,
Before rent the same. Before first rent, now second.
Na parang blue, yung
Oo
mitray.
nga pa, pero coding niya ng sasakyan.
Hindi nga po namin alam. Kasi
Ipakwan nyo po dun sa may-ari ng sasakyan. Kasi mahuli tayo rito, okay? Meron kasi kaming ordinance, yun yung number coding. Although nirentahan nyo yan, it's job na rin ng driver saka yung owner to remind these things, okay? Kasi meron tayong ordinance.
Now Clark home. Now going to Clark. Now go time.
Kahit po regardless po kung taga saan kayo, ma'am, pag nandito kayo, you already violated the ordinance, huli namin po. Wala ka pong magagawa, okay?
wala na pong ibang solusyon, sir.
Titikitan namin kayo para at least magamit nyo pa yung sasakyan.
Opo.
Roaming around the city.
Nakarga ng likod na.
Kahit na ikot na kayo, basta may ticket kayo, wala nang problema. Hindi na kayo maabala ulit. Kung manparahin kayo, ipakita nyo yung ticket.
Okay.
Do you have your license, sir?
License.
Korean license, only Korean license.
Translated in Tagalog? In English?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's okay?
Why did they allow you to rent?
Hindi naman po kasi nila sinabi.
Only Korean license.
You don't have any license translated in English?
Nah.
This license must be translated in English, because if it's not translated, you need to have a local license. Kailangan mo ng local license pag ito ginagamit mo.
Ay, sir, hindi naman po kasi kami dito talaga nakatira.
Kailan ba kayo pumunta ng Pilipinas, ma'am?
Eto, onje, Philippine going, mama, papa.
March 12.
March 12.
Okay.
Opo, tapos nag-trip po kaming La Union. Ngayon po, last day
Mama, Papa,
namin.
Korean Mama, Papa together now trip.
Opo.
Inside meron.
Okay, but I will remind you, but if you are using a foreign, gumagamit foreign
ID.
license, license,
Wala na.
Change
it must be translated in English.
English is changing only.
For us,
Google Translate.
But don't worry, you have this license. I will try to understand your name. Do you have a
ID
in English?
Passport.
Better. Just show me. I will not confiscate it.
House.
Titikitan ko, ma'am, para magamit na yung...
House. Only Mama, Papa passport.
Why? You must have that one.
Only Mama, Papa passport. Ako passport now house.
You must bring that one. Okay? Especially your driving.
Family.
Okay. No, how about ID in English? ID na ka-English. Pangalan niya?
Only Filipino wife.
Ikaw mo wala kang ID?
Koreano bag. You ID
Kahit
meron
na lang.
ID.
Yung ikaw na lang, madam.
ID meron.
Or baka may license po kayo. Okay. Now, bigyan ko kayo ng ticket para magamit nyo pa yung sasakyan. Pero kailangan nyo bayaran yung violation sa police station malapit sa SM.
police
SM
station.
near. SM
Ah,
near.
SM near.
Then don't worry, wala siya record basta as long as mabayaran yung violation. Ikaw na lang ang huliin ko, madam, hindi si sir.
Grabe naman ako bigla nagka-record sa Baguio.
Penalty?
Oo.
Yes.
Now give na?
Hindi ma'am, kailangan nyo kasi yung ticket.
Tago ko na lang kape.
Hindi ma'am.
Now Angeles do.
Oh, no, because kailangan nyo yung ticket para kayo pinara, pakita nyo yung OR.
Ah.
Hindi kayo huliin. Pagbigay nyo sa akin, thank you, huliin kayo ulit.
Ah.
Babay na lang, di ba? Ito yung OR, ID, ID mo ma'am, and congratulations. You have now your ticket.
SM?
Near SM, police station.
Station.
Police station.
Anong number?
Police number.
Compact 3.
Compact.
Three.
Station.
Okay, so congratulations po. Thank you so much.
Thank you.